Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing for this grow light so you can see what comes in the box. Just grab my knife, cut open the sides. Okay, so this is the Fox Garden grow light. Comes with the manual, and then let's see, the actual light comes very securely wrapped in this tubular type bubble wrap. I've been seeing this stuff a lot more lately. I think it's a cool bubble wrap. It does a really good job at protecting your things so they don't get broken. Show you. If you're impressed by that kind of thing, like I am, there you go. And then it also has this foam sleeve that your LED light comes in. So you see it has two rows here, a top and a bottom row. So just set that down so I don't scratch it. Then it has your bars that I use to hang it. It has your power cord, which also has your controller. So your power, your hour setting, so 8 or 12 hour, 4, 8, and 12 hours on there. And yep, so your timer and your intensity all on there. It comes with a little hardware set for you to tighten the poles to the light itself. So a nut and little wrench there. And then in these boxes, so it has two boxes. So this longer box has kind of the feet or stands for your light.